Hello everyone, I am here to share my knowledge and experience on creating a Telegram chatbot using Firestore database. First of all, for this you need to install a Telegram app or you should use a Telegram web page. Now I am using Telegram app. You can see that. First of all, you should create a Telegram bot. For this you should run the command new bot. It is asking a name for your bot. I am using movies 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we should enter the username for the bot. Movies 1 2 3 4 5 6 underscore bot. You should end the username with the underscore bot. It's showing it was already taken. Now I am changing my username, some numbers, and ended with the underscore bot. Successfully created. Here is the bot link, and here is the token for the accessing the bot. You can see this bot was created successfully. Now you should go to the behind the process of the running the bot. For this you need to have some packages for creating and using Firestore database. That is, I created my chatbot for details getting on movie details. For that chatbot it may require some packages. Let me show the packages what may require for the successful getting details of the movie details and the APIs. Here are the required packages. First of all, you should require Telegram bot API, which is to access the token and send the message and the reply from the for the user and access. Here is Firebase admin package, which is used to store the information given by the user and gained by the user. I have used it for movie details API, that is OMDP API, which is a free API, easy to access everyone. Let me show the code. And here Telegram chatbot required packages is shown, and here is the token which is accessible from for chatbot, and here is my API key which is getted from the API account, my API account. And let me show how to create a Firebase account. Should you open your Chrome account and search for Firebase Cloud Store, and it was showing Firebase Cloud Store. By clicking on it, it goes to this and go to console. As I already signed in, you should add a project, enter your project name and continue to create a Firebase account of the database. I created movies database. You can see this database, and in this database here is my service account details. These are my service account details, and let me show the code for the service account. By running the service account, it shows this code, and which contains the project ID and private key and client ID and some token URLs which are required for storing the database. Going to the code, and I given my service account to store the details which are given by the user in the Telegram chatbot, and here I stored my details. And when you open the Telegram chatbot and when we press start, it shows the welcome message to greet the user, which user feels somewhat good. And here is the message.chat ID, which is used to store the chat ID which user is message. Let me explain how this happened. If me and my friend both texted the bot as some movie name, same movie name. It shows both names and we should make and get confused. For this reason, I have used chat ID for particular message, and I get response from using OMDB API to get the movie details. And if we enter the false movie name, it shows movie not found. Please try again. Here it contains the movie details which are required by for the user entered movie name, that is title, year and plot, poster and message, and it also sends the poster of the movie name, and it fetches the details to the database. Let me explain in a short while how this happened. First of all, we are initializing the Firebase admin SDK. Here it is, and then after we are initializing the Telegram chatbot, and here you can see the Firebase data reference which are used, and here is my welcome message to greet the user. Here how it handles the movie details and movie search, and going to the and it sends the poster and movie details for the user, and it shows the it stores the detail in the Firebase account. Let's run the code to get the desired output. Opening terminal, new terminal. I am entering. For running the Node.js file, it should have a particular command as node space and file name. That is, I have saved my file as movies.js. Enter. What is running? Let's check the Telegram. Okay. Here is my bot. I am pressing a start command. It greeted the user, and now I want details of a movie, particular movie like Triple R. I am given. Here you can see that it given the details of the movie, poster, title and year and plot and the poster link. That we check the details as stored in the database or not. Open database, Firebase database, and here you can see that Firestore database by clicking on this. Here you can see this document. Yes, I searched for Triple R. The data sent by the bot is shown here. This is the ID document name which is sent by the particular chart ID, and again we can check another movie as let's check another movie name as Saho. It given the details. Here you can see the details which is given by the chatbot. That process will run on continuously by running the particular code to get the desired outputs, and it is stored in the particular Firebase database. This is how we create a Telegram chatbot using Firestore database. I think you understood the way to create the Telegram chatbot using Firestore database. Thank you.